All right, so quick video for chapter 4, case 3, just to get us started. So we're going to start this off with adding a new customer. So you're going to go under sales, click customers, and then add your new customer in. This customer is Surfer Sales. All right. Then you can just go over to the next tab, products and services, and the next 2 steps are going to be adding a service product and 2 new inventory items. All right, so we go like new, add those in. Now I've already done those, and so I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead to step 4. This is what I want to show you, a couple things just quick. So I'm going to go to new sales receipt. All right, so just like when you go to the store and you pay for something, you get a receipt. So when the customer goes ahead and pays for something right away, you don't have to send them a bill, you don't send them an invoice, you give them a receipt. And so this is where you enter a sales receipt. All right, so my customer, Surfer Sales, I'm entering this sales receipt in here, and they paid for this material, this product with credit card. It gives me a reference number to enter 16756. All right, and then it says to deposit to undeposited funds. Okay, your account or your system might have, instead of undeposited funds, the account might be called payments to deposit. That's the same thing. If they haven't been deposited, they need to deposit, they're undeposited. So payments to deposit is what I'm going to select now, and then I'm going to go ahead and change that account name later on. So real quick here, I just want to finish this sales receipt and then I'll show you that. All right, so what did they purchase? They had Apple iPhone 7. I'm going to hit tab. Tab's our magic button here. To tab across to the section where it says how many. Let me see. I think it said 6. Yep. Quantity 6. All right. And then I can go to the next line, and they also purchased 3 hours of phone consulting. And I'm going to tab over to quantity, update that to 3, and hit tab again. And then we see QuickBooks automatically updates the amount for us. All right, so then it says to click see the math to update amounts. It's really, when you click that, they're just wanting you to look at the taxing, how that is calculated. So you can see the little button here, see the math, and you can see the amount. All right. But you really don't need to overwrite anything. You don't need to do much, just hit close. I was just pointing that out because the book says to click that button. All right, but we already have our sales tax calculated based on location. So here they've added that in, and we have our total amount received. Balance due is 0 because like we said, they paid for it. So now I can go ahead and hit save and close. Okay, so there was that sales receipt. I told you I was going to talk about that account, right? So I'm going to go to my chart of accounts. And the account I'm looking for, we said, was payment to deposit right here. I'm just going to edit it. And so that it matches with what my book says for future reference. And I can go undeposited funds. Just change that name, save. Now everything matches. All right, so then after that, you'll go in and add a new invoice. So again, you're going to click the new button under customers, but this time just click invoice, fill that out, and then let me know if you have any questions. It looks like a lot of you have already submitted stuff. This is just answering some questions that came in, but if you've already submitted your work and now you see something you need to change, feel free to go and edit that. And if you need to re-upload or resubmit, that's fine. Just let me know and I will keep working on some videos. It sounds like this is really helpful. So I'll keep working and let me know if you need anything else. Thanks.